Most developers assume SQL aggregations always collapse rows. Window functions say, not so fast. Meet the over clause. The over clause tells SQL, apply this function across a specific set of rows, called a window, without collapsing them into a single result. Take R, O, W, N, U, M, B, E, R over with empty parentheses. Every row in the result gets a unique sequential number, and all rows remain visible. That empty over says, use the entire result set as the window. Inside O of R, you have two powerful options. Partition BY divides your rows into groups, like group BY, but without collapsing them. So partition BY department means the window resets for each department. Order BY inside over controls how rows are sequenced within that window, critical for functions like rank or running totals. Together, they give you precise control over exactly which rows the function sees. Here's the key distinction. Group BY collapses multiple rows into one aggregate result per group. You lose the individual row detail. Window functions perform the same calculations but keep every original row intact in your output. You get the aggregate and the detail data simultaneously. That's the real power the over clause unlocks. var defines the window of rows a function operates on. No row collapse, full control. Follow for more SQL tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.